If a woman brushes against you in just the right way, it can be a clear sign she's into you. And if you learn to read the small stuff, you'll stop guessing and start connecting. Stay with me for the next few minutes. I'll walk you through 7 tiny, honest signals women give when they've already chosen you in their head. These are quiet, real, and totally human. Listen, attraction often shows up before words do. It's rooted in brain science. Those first, loud feelings come from the limbic system, the part of the brain that drives emotion and gut reactions before logic kicks in. Number 1. She adjusts her outfit. You'll notice small tugs, a sleeve smoothed, a neckline subtly fixed, a strap tucked back into place. It's not vanity, it's that quick, "Oh, I want you to notice me" energy. Picture this: you're at a coffee shop, chatting about nothing, and she straightens her collar like she wants to look just a little sharper. That's prepping her body to be seen, a quiet flirt. Number 2. She touches her neck or collarbone. This one's huge. The neck and collarbone are vulnerable spots. When a woman plays with a necklace, brushes her fingers over her collarbone, or rubs the base of her throat, it's often a mix of nervous excitement and trust. She's showing a softer, exposed side around you. Think of it like a nonverbal "I feel something here." Researchers and body language pros note neck touching can be a pacifying or nervous behavior tied to attraction when paired with eye contact and smiling. Number 3. She shifts her legs or posture. Crosses and uncrosses, rubs a thigh, taps a knee. Movement reveals nervous energy. A neutral person sits still. Someone attracted to you shifts to manage excitement. Imagine you're at a gathering and she's angled toward you, shifting her legs in small ways while the conversation stays light. That restless energy. It often means she's emotionally keyed in. Number 4. Her lips become noticeable. If she lingers at her lip balm, lightly presses her lips together, nudges them with her finger, or gently bites her lower lip while looking your way, that's not random. Lips are tied to intimacy and desire. Example: at a bar, she keeps reapplying balm and stealing quick glances at you in between laughs. Don't overthink it. Slow smile, steady attention. Let the moment breathe. Number 5. She picks up her phone but doesn't use it. This one's subtle and modern. She grabs her phone, scrolls half a second, locks it, sets it down, fiddles with it, but she's not texting. She's using the device as a buffer for fluttery nerves. If she's frequently reaching for her phone while still keeping her attention on you, that little ritual can mean she's trying to handle the buzz of being around you. Number 6. She plays with her hair. Classic for a reason. Twirling strands, sweeping hair behind an ear, wrapping fingers around the ends. It's a dopamine moment. Not every hair flip equals interest, but combine it with eye contact, smiling, or leaning in, and it becomes a clear flirt. A simple example: swapping an awkward silence for a tiny hair tuck and a laugh. She's inviting attention. Number 7. She fiddles with her fingers, nails, or jewelry. The powerful radar cue. This is the one sharp guys learn to notice. Rubbing fingers together, twisting a ring, brushing a bracelet, clasping and unclasping hands. Those micro movements are classic self-soothing. They show someone who's feeling a lot and trying to keep it together. It's real, honest, and low-key explosive if you recognize it. When you see this, the best move is not to rush. Be steady, slightly warm and grounded. Your calm becomes a signal back. You're safe here. I'm interested too. That quiet exchange can flip the whole room. A few mindset rules so you don't blow it. Stay grounded, keep your energy calm, and don't jump to conclusions. One sign can mean curiosity, but when several line up, that's when real interest shows. Respond with warmth, not pressure. A simple compliment or light teasing works far better than trying too hard. Examples: at a coffee shop, she fixes her sleeve and plays with a ring. That's comfort. At a work hangout, she keeps tucking her hair behind her ear while looking your way. That's attraction warming up. At the gym or in a class, she picks up her phone without using it, but keeps shooting you small glances. That's nerves mixed with interest. If you've ever felt that electric, unspoken energy around someone, these are the signals behind it. Subtle, human, and easy to miss unless you're paying attention. If this connected with you, hit like and subscribe for more straight-up insights that actually help. And if you want to go deeper, check out my ebook Attraction Secrets, where I break down how to create genuine chemistry without cheesy lines or pressure. Watch close, stay confident, and pay attention to the quiet signals. They reveal more than words ever do. See you in the next one.